Welcome to Ezaylea's YouTube channel. Today we're making Keto Snickerdoodles. We use this one for the wet and dry. First we're going to start with 8 tablespoons of butter, and the whole thing is 8 tablespoons. So I'm going to pour it. Now we're finished with that. We're going to use sweetener of half a cup. After you pour it in, we're going to use a hand mixer to mix it. We're going to mix it again. Before we start using the hand mixer, we're going to use vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon. Be careful with it because my mom always says it's very expensive. Now we're going to wipe the vanilla extract with this napkin. Now we're going to use baking. I used 2 teaspoons of baking powder, cinnamon, and we're going to use 1 teaspoon. Is that a good one? Next, we're going to use cream of tartar.
How much?
I'm not going to put this away because we're going, when the cookies are out of the oven, we're going to sprinkle this on each cookie. So it's going to be right here. Now we're going to use beef.
Gelatin?
Gelatin is optional. The purpose of this is going to make it chewy and soft. So now we're going I'm going to use a hand mixer. We use everything. Now we're going to use almond flour and 1 cup.
One more.
And we use 1 more. I'm going to use the hand mixer to mix to stir more and dry stuff. After we're done mixing, we're going to use this thing to scoop it into little balls. Once we're done, we're going to pat them gently, and then make sure they're have space because they might get stuck together. And it's going to be for 50 degrees.
350
degrees. And
for how many minutes?
for 18 or minutes. All right, the cookies out of the oven, they're cooled down. Now, the last touch, cinnamon.
Show it. So?
It's so good. Stay tuned for baking with Ezaylea.